What's good, y'all? It's your girl Amari and I'm back with a new video. And hello to any new subscribers. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this glueless wig. Now mind you, I am a beginner. I am new at this. I am not no hairstylist. So this is just what I do to make it look good on myself, and I just wanted to make a video and show you guys what the process is for me to do a glueless wig. So keep on watching. This part really frustrates me the most because I couldn't find my hot comb to flatten the top, so it was getting on my last nerve. I had to use the flat irons to be able to flatten it. I normally wouldn't do that, so yeah. So this was the final look. Honestly, it actually did come out really good. I wasn't expecting it to come out this good. As you can see on the top, I kind of put out my baby hairs, my real baby hairs in the front, and it actually turned out pretty good. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with this, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!